Hi guys, we're doing another video today. Today we are doing mathematics. So we are gonna do a worldwide game. So yeah. Oh, Ghost is hard. I've first tried before. Oh, I'm almost there. Hey guys, I'm winning. Guys. Oh, guys, I just won. I just won against Ghost and Brainiac. Mega Brain didn't do so good, did she? Yeah. Ooh. Yep. So let's do another one. Oh, that was hard. Olivia P. I hate that. Okay, guys, we are winning so far. This guy is too easy for me. Yeah, he was too easy for me. Oh, it might be a she. No one knows. No one knows. Oh, this again. What? I'm gonna tell you guys I'm gonna win this. Tell me in the comments down below if you think I'm gonna win this. Because I really do hope. Didn't make it. Oh, just lost by 1. Let's see if I can win the next one. Joel M. It's okay for one. What? This guy's a hacker. This guy is definitely a hacker. Guys, how would he do it that quick? It's impossible to do it like that. That guy's definitely a hacker, guys. Oh, that guy is a hacker. Okay. Oh. That was easy. Let's see how far I can get up to. Come on. Let's see. No distractions. Okay. Oh, not my best, but good enough. That was weird. He just rage quitted. Never seen someone rage quit like that before. He was like, oh, this guy's too fast. Definitely not. Oh. What if it's that hacker again? He just rage quit. This guy rage quitter. This guy is a rage quitter. Four, three. Right, that was the correct answer. So I don't know what he's talking about. Go away. So let's play one more, shall we? I want to see if he rage quits again. If I'll verse him again. That'll be so funny. He rage quitted again. This guy is a rage quitter. Sorry guys, he rage quitted again. What? I didn't mean that. This guy, Lachlan, right here. This guy right here is a rage quitter. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more of it, leave it down in the comment down below and I'll do it for you guys. As always, see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you next time.